Well, as luck would have it, the closet flange or the commode flange in our RV, it broke right out of warranty. Of course, it's just ABS plastic. So I went ahead and made a cut. We'll go out and take a look at it in just a second. I just want you to be aware that when you put a piece of PVC with ABS, make sure you use the right cement. It's ABS to PVC green transition cement. A lot of people use the PVC to PVC and some of them have good luck, but you don't know. Something is critical. I wanted to find the right cement. The problem I ran into, I was wanting to go back with ABS, the same setup, except with the stainless steel rotating ring. That way you can set your own position before you put the mounting screws in. And after visiting 2 different Lowe's and 2 different Home Depots, none of them actually stock the ABS pipe. It's all PVC. So if you want to go back with ABS, that's your call. This is not a problem. Just use the right cement. Now let's go outside and I'll show you what we're doing on the repair. Like I say, we're going back with a stainless steel closet. This is not it. I went ahead and glued this together and I got into trouble on the proper dimensions. I just stuck that to just for visual effects. Now we'll go out and take a look. Okay, let's peek inside and take a look. So I had 2 transition points. One there, you can clearly see the green cement. Got a really good seal, good bond on it. And I can see why guys are tempted to use just regular PVC glue, because once everything is in place, it's fairly solid. It's fairly rigid. It just can't go anywhere. But I feel better knowing that I use the right transition cement. PVC to ABS. And it looks like I used it again up there. The flange itself was ABS, but it does have a stainless steel ring around it. There's no way it could break. Now we'll go upstairs and take a look at it. Okay, let's take a look at what we had. This is the original. I marked place here and here where the bolts were. You can rotate this. With this stainless steel flange, you can locate it any position you want, and I'll put it right in the middle of the 2 blacks, maybe a little bit even past it. There. And here, where's your screws? Or right into the meat of it. So on the original, it just broke. And these commodes, you can see that commode, the commode sets high anyway, which I like. I like a 17-inch height on it, especially as you get older. But when you lean to do your job, you're putting a lot of pressure on it, and that's where she broke. This is the OEM gasket for that commode, and it's a good fit. It runs inside of the elbow. You can clearly see that. Now here's what I don't like about my setup, but I couldn't get the plumbing to come out right, is this. Even though I've got good glue on it, and feel confident it's not going to leak, if it ever did leak, it's going to run down on the outside. And I have to remove a panel to look at it and keep an eye on it, which I will do. I'll find a way to keep an eye on this. And then the gasket goes here. Now you can see, even straight down, your flush is hitting this lip. As long as everything stays good, sealed, and bonded and glued, and it should, because that's a weldable cement. It actually welds the ABS and PVC together. Here's the setup the way it should have been, but I messed up on my glue and I didn't have a second one. And when I went back, they didn't have any in stock, so I had to buy that one. But you can see how your stream would be down. It's on the inside of the elbow. That's what you're looking for. You're on the inside of this. For this one, my elbow is on the inside. And it will not break now for the life of the RV. I think I'll go with 6. I'll just put 6 of my own in there and not even use what they use. Even if you have to buy extra parts, you'll still be hundreds of dollars ahead if you do it yourself, compared to taking it to a dealership. Even then, I don't even trust their work. But if you ever have to make the upgrade, go with the pivoting ring like this. You can dial in your own location, and this is stainless steel. It's printed here, but I doubt it'll show up on camera. The rings are, in fact, stainless steel. Hey, thanks for watching. Travel safe out there. Have a good one.